Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Volkswagen Caddy long wheelbase. This one in particular has 61,000 miles on the clock, and I'll just take you around the vehicle now. So we're just going to pop into the passenger side now just to quickly show you that inside it is 2 seats. And then if we open up the cargo space in the back, as you can see, it's rather generous. It also comes with cargo rings on there as well to strap down any load you may be carrying. And now if I just hop into the back here, may I bring your attention to the bulkhead, which has clear to no scratches or dents or anything like that in it at all, suggesting that this vehicle has been used for only light loads within the past. Now if you would like to follow me around into the driver's seat, I can show you some conveniences that may come with the vehicle. There we go. Okay, so in this vehicle, this does come with cruise control, hands-free voice assist. This does also have radio, and also if I just pop it in to reverse, you can see we have parking sensors as well.